My name is Tamara, and this is Eurodental Clinic where I work. My boss, who is Dr. Valeria Genova, told me about the implants. Back then, I had this problem when I would bite something or eat. It felt uncomfortable, and so I decided to follow her advice. And so I came here for a treatment.
The patient, she actually comes from Kiev. She works here at our clinic. She's been working here for many years, basically I think more or less 7 or 8 years since the day the clinic opened. And she knows something about dentistry, she knows how it works. And what we did is a pre-planned surgery. Every step is planned. We planned her temporary prosthesis as well.
I underwent surgery about half an hour ago, and I don't feel any pain, any discomfort. The doctor who performed it is a great professional. He is the doctor who actually invented this system. So I was in good hands, you know. I felt comfortable. I was not afraid at all. And well, I trusted him completely. I must say, this is something I've been wanting to do basically my entire life. Because before putting on an implant, I felt, well, less confident, you see. I had a complex, but now I feel I can say, I'm confident, can eat normally, and it's possible to smile and have a normal life. And Dr. Banzi made it all possible.